Here is the marshmallow aerator. Aerator connected with the cooking system. And the syrup have a tubes. Tubes go in the aerator. And the marshmallow, you can hear. The marshmallow mixer will come out from here. This is protecting. And go to the tube. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 tubes. 4 tubes and colors. 4 colors here will go. Will go here. This is the extruder head. Here. This is the extruder head. This is a twisted rotary. 4 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four colors will come out from the extruding to this conveyor. And this customer want us to design a line with 2 functions. One is for extruding marshmallow. Second one is for the depositing marshmallow. We can see here. Here is the depositing head. The marshmallow will drop to this conveyor too. But these 2 functions cannot use at the same time. You can alternatively use it. You can use the depositor head or extruding head. You can choose one. And there. That tank is for center filling. And the marshmallow you can be filling with jam center fillings. And we'll go. After extruding or depositing, we'll go here. Here is the starch. The starch applicator. This is the second one. Second starch applicator. When the candies with marshmallows came to here. This part. Came to this part, and the starch will drop on the marshmallows. Will still go this one. This is the vibrator. When you're making the extruding marshmallows, here is the cutter. Will cut down to the length you need. After this vibrator, the candies will come out from here. The actual starch powder will drop down here. And we have to connect it with the conveyor. There's also a conveyor and the starch rotary cooker.